All right, so this is the homepage of a Venngage. I hope I'm actually pronouncing that correctly, but Venngage. And you can see that what they actually do is have a platform to help you with your graphics. So, kind of like in the same realm of Canva, as far as them actually having you design different graphics for your business. So, as you can see, this is actually what they have. They have design tools and templates to help save you design time. That is basically what this site is all about. But as you can see, they have a lot of different graphics that you can create. Specifically, we're going to be talking about the infographics simply because they have so many templates and so many graphics here. So, as far as the infographic templates are concerned, look at this. So you have all of these templates and they actually have a infographic maker. So this is how they are getting people into their business and learning more about their business and actually displaying what can be done with this template for the infographics, right? And they have templates apparently for other graphics as well. But as you can see, they have a ton of templates. So I've talked about this many times, many times, because it looks like a lot of these big players, these big businesses are using the same strategies. And I just wanted to tell you that you guys can do the same thing with your business. Take this straight from their playbook and apply it to your business. If you are in the graphic design business, or maybe you design website templates or something of that nature, you can set something up like this so people can get a feel of what they were buy or what they would actually have if they used your service. So, what exactly is Venngage doing really well here? Okay. So, from what I can see, and as I said, this is my first time really experiencing this company when I was doing the research. They have so many different templates that it's really actually hard for someone in their space, a competitor, to actually compete, I believe. So, I mean, Canva is a big, probably competitor to them, but I think Canva maybe brings in a different customer base, maybe the people who aren't so graphic design savvy, because these look like they took a lot of work to actually put together. And I could be wrong about that, but that's just my thought process here. So, what happens here? So, apparently, you can drag and drop. You can create these for your own business using these templates. And what's going to happen basically when you click on something, it's going to take you to the page talking to you about specifically what that template's about. And then it gives you the option to start editing or create with AI. Either one of these buttons is going to bring you to a wall here to where you actually need to sign up for Venngage in order to get access. So, what we're doing is the fact that they have all these templates, and I'm not saying you need 10,000, that would take a lot, right? You need a variety of templates if you're going to make this work for your business, and depending on how many leads you want coming in. So, this works for them because they have so many templates, they have so many options across every category, and going back to their homepage, you can see exactly what kinds of graphics that they actually have. And so it's under my assumption that they probably have a good deal of templates for each type of graphic as well. Okay. There's literally a template for any content need, making it impossible to say, hey, they don't have what I need. So apparently they do a lot of different things within the graphic space, and they want to make sure that they're pulling in people who may not only need an infographic, but maybe they need a newsletter design, or maybe they need to make a proposal. So it removes the design barrier completely. So users can create professional looking visual content in minutes, Looks like they also have the AI. Like I said, you can go ahead and edit this on your own, or apparently you can use AI to edit things. And then in addition to that, they have built-in virality through their visual content. So right here, yes, they do have AI. You can design a whole lot of stuff. So this is a little overwhelming for me, considering the fact that they have so much. I'm looking at all the AI generators, and then you can look at all the templates. So these apparently are just popular templates. It's probably not listing everything, but they have a lot. Okay. Okay. So infographics specifically are viral, and they have that viral ability, and they're quite shareable. They're good for places like Pinterest and maybe LinkedIn. So most definitely people are going to get value out of these templates. So what you can still, and I've said this so many times, go ahead and offer the templates. Make sure, if you can, go big with the quantity as well. Okay. If you can't, don't worry about it, but have a good variety across whatever industries and whatever stages of awareness for your leads. In addition to that, the massive library, if you can pull it off, does feel more valuable than a curated few and increases the likelihood that each user finds exactly what they need. Next up would be to offer templates across multiple content types like they actually have here. And instead of just focusing on one, cast a wider net in order to attract more diverse users, and it positions you as the authority in that industry. Okay. Next would be make your lead magnet the gateway to your product. And I have talked about this multiple times. I have told you that Magnetify is in the process of doing something similar, to where we are creating a lot of content that will directly link back to Magnetify for someone to sign up. So if you can do that for your SaaS, that would be wonderful. Okay, and then last but not least, you want to make sure that these templates are something that people want, okay? So not just throwing together something, but making sure they're what your users actually would want to use and need for their specific business, okay? So last but not least, as far as numbers are concerned, Venngage serves over 40,000 businesses and organizations worldwide, and they have millions of visual designs, as we can see on their pages here. They have a lot. Their template library has grown from a few hundred designs at launch to over 10,000 templates, making it one of the largest design template collections available for non-designers. And, you know, this is a little odd considering the fact that I've never heard of them. Maybe you have heard of them, but this just goes to show that even though Canva is a big player, and even though they are doing something similar to Canva as far as the templates and the graphic design, I can tell just by looking at these designs that this may bring in a different type of customer. Maybe the same, that maybe there is some overlap, but I could see it would probably bring in different types of customers as well. Because for me, just glancing at it, this kind of looks like you would bring in more corporate people, more people who are corporate marketers who maybe needed to do something a couple times, and they could, you know, use AI. They could use Canva if they wanted, I guess, but just looks like the designs are a little bit different and a little bit more sophisticated, I guess. Is that the way I'd say it? Not saying Canva does not have good designs, but I'm just saying probably a little bit more of the sophisticated crowd for this type of lead magnet and graphic creation here. So that is it for this week. And I kind of feel like I've been repeating myself for the last few weeks because I am running across so many businesses that are doing the same exact thing. So if we see a pattern with businesses doing the same exact thing, different businesses doing the same exact thing over and over again, it's probably a clue that us smaller businesses should probably take note and apply that to our business. So in the meantime, if you have any questions, If you like this video, please like it, please share with others, please comment down below if you have any questions. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, make sure to subscribe because I bring you lead magnet teardowns each week to see how you can apply these strategies to your business to help you grow.